Kunafa is one of those desserts that feels luxurious but is surprisingly simple to make, especially with the food fusion recipe. Think crispy layers, creamy filling, and a syrupy sweetness. It's like a dessert hug for your taste buds. First, you're going to need kataifi dough, which is basically shredded filo pastry. This stuff is magic, but it's also delicate. The pain point here? Dry dough cracks easily. Keep it covered with a damp cloth while you prep. You'll also need clarified butter. Don't cheap out on this. It's what gives your kunafa that golden, crunchy texture. Pro tip: melt slightly more butter than you think you need. You'd rather have extra than come up short. For the filling, Food Fusion goes with a creamy mix of mozzarella and cream cheese. Mozzarella for that satisfying stretch, cream cheese for the richness. It's a pairing that'll make you question why you ever ate plain cheesecake. Assembly is the fun part. Lay down half your buttered kataifi dough in a baking dish, press it a little to flatten, add the cheese filling, and cap it with the rest of the dough. Yes, your hands will get messy. That's part of the joy. The baking process is straightforward, but timing is critical. Too short and you miss the crunch. Too long and the cheese hardens. Set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes until golden. The syrup is what takes kunafa to the next level. Simple syrup, flavored with rose water or orange blossom water. Not into floral flavors? You can skip it, but honestly, you're missing the soul of kunafa if you do. The syrup goes on hot kunafa for maximum absorption. Don't be shy, pour generously. Some people try to drizzle lightly, but that's how you end up with a sad, dry kunafa. Nobody wants that. Let it rest for 10 minutes after syruping. I know, the wait is torture, but this allows everything to set. Cutting into it too early? Rookie mistake. Your layers need time to bond. Serve it warm. Trust me, lukewarm kunafa doesn't hit the same. Sprinkle crushed pistachios on top for that pop of color and nutty flavor. Food Fusion nailed this garnish choice. It's simple but impactful. One common hiccup: uneven layers. If your kataifi dough isn't evenly distributed, parts of your kunafa will be soggy while others are crunchy. Pro tip: use a flat-bottomed glass to press the layers evenly. Kunafa isn't just dessert, it's an experience. It's one of those dishes that makes you want to share photos. And let's be real, your kitchen wins. Food Fusion's recipe gets you there with minimal pain and maximum payoff. Try it out and feel like a dessert pro. And hey, even if it's not perfect, there's something wonderful about creating messy, gooey desserts. Bonus: your kitchen will smell like heaven.